Are you struggling with addition? I bet you didn't know this simple trick to make maths make sense. You already know how to add numbers on a number line. You start at a point and move forward the number of places you need to go. Like for instance, 11 plus 4, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 15. But this doesn't work so well for bigger numbers. Let's try 32 plus 14. First, we represent them in blocks, and then we find the total amount of ones, so 2 plus 4 is 6. And then the total amount of tens, 3 plus 1 is 4. In total, there are 4 tens and 6 ones. This makes 46. Now, I'm going to do exactly the same, but represent it in a place value column. We have our ones and we have our tens. Again, you find the total value of the ones, so 2 plus 4 is 6. And the total value of the tens, 3 plus 1 is 4. Again, you have 4 tens and 6 ones. That makes 46. The column method is just like using a place value column, only without the hundreds, tens and ones headings. First, you add the digits in the ones column, and then you put the answer on the line underneath. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Next, you add the tens. So 3 plus 1 is 4. The answer to 32 plus 14 is 46. Sometimes the numbers in a column will sum to a number that is bigger than 10. When this happens, you need to carry a digit. Let's work out 18 plus 23. 8 plus 3 equals 11, which contains 2 digits because you've got the 1 and the 1. So you can't fit this whole number in one column because it contains too many digits. So what happens? 11 contains 1 10 and 1 1. So 8 plus 3 gives you 1 1, so you can put that in the line underneath it. But what about the 10? You can add this 10 to the other 10s as it has the same place value. So you've got 8 plus 3 equals 1 1, and you put the 1 10 over here. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. 18 plus 23 ends up being 41. Doing this in a column works exactly the same way. First, you add the ones. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So you put the ones value in the line underneath, and then you carry the 1 over. I put it in a little number above it because I find that makes it easier for me. And then you add the digits in the tens column. So the carried 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, gives you 41. In summary, there are 4 steps to column addition. First, start with a column furthest to the right and add the digits there. This could be the ones column, or it could even be a decimals column. Second, if the answer contains 1 digit, put it on the answer line. Step 3, if the answer contains more than 1 digit, put the ones value on the answer line and carry the tens value back to the next column along to add it there. Step 4, repeat until all columns have been added. Can you try 193 plus 74? Pause the video if you want to work it out for yourself. So first, you add the digits in the ones column. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Second, you add the digits in the tens column. 9 plus 7 equals 16. The digit in the ones value, so 6, goes on the answer line, and you carry the tens value to the hundreds column. You then add the hundreds column, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. This gives you 193 plus 74 equals 267. You may be wondering that 9 plus 7 equals 16, so why are we putting the 6 underneath the tens value? But remember, the 9 and the 7 aren't in the ones column, they're actually in the tens column. So you're not adding 9 plus 7, but rather 90 plus 70, which will give you 160. So in total there are 0 ones, because you've sorted out the ones already, 6 tens, so this goes in the tens column, and 100, so you carry the 1 over to the hundreds column. Thank you for watching my video on column addition. If this helped to make maths make sense, please like and subscribe and click the notification button to be the first to see more videos.